Hello, first of all, I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to do a new assignment for you. The name of this assignment is Go 19 Assess Chapter 3 Greater 3G Assignment Workshop Room. Before starting this assignment, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I will solve out this complete assignment for you. Here we are going to look at the project description. In project description, it is saying in this project you will use a database to track workshops and the rooms where the workshops are held at college. You will create forms, add and delete records by using a form, filter records and modify a form in layout view and design view. You will create reports and modify reports in layout view and design view. Group data in reports and keep group data together for a printed report. So this is our project description. But before starting this assignment, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course or course of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Math, Stat, Business, Math, Finance, Accounting, Writing, Technical Writing, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. Let's move to this assignment. Is consist of 18 to 19 points. Here I am going to solve some part of this assignment for you. If you want me to solve rest of this assignment for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. It is saying start assess, open the file student assess 3G workshop room downloaded with this project. With the relationship, view the relationship between the rooms table and workshop table. Open rooms can be used for many workshop. Close the relationship window. So here this is the file. This assignment is consist of three themes files, and one is exercise file and one is the instruction file. So this is file. Next it is saying view relationship. For viewing relationship we will go to database tool. This is database tool and here we will click relationship. As you can see, there is the relationship between room ID. Next we have to close these. Next we will move to step number 2. In step number 2 it is saying use the form tool to create a form based on the workshop table. Save the form as workshop forms and then display the forms in form view. Using the workshop forms, add the following new records to the underlying workshop tables. Workshop ID W5034, workshop name job portfolio, room ID RM-208, registration number of registration 23, workshop category guide to finding a job. So here we have to workshop table, create a form based on workshop table. So this is workshop table. We will go to create and here we will create a form. So this is done. Next it is saying first we have to save this form as workshop form. So here I will right click on it and click save. So it's workshops we have to save it as workshop form and click OK. So this is created. Next it is saying display the form in form view. So here we will click in form layout design and in view we will create and select form view. This is done. Next it is saying use the workshop forms, add the following new records. So here we will click here new record. We will record new record. Workshop ID is W-5034, workshop name job portfolio. So I am just going to copy this and here in this I will paste it. Next is the room ID. Room ID is RM-208. RM-208. Number of registration it's 23 and workshop category it's guide to finding a job. So here I am just going to copy it and here I will just simply paste it. So it's done now. Now this form is consists of 25 records. Next it is saying find the record for the workshop ID of W-5020 and then delete the record. Find the record for the workshop W5034 from the print dialog box and then set up option. Change the column size of the printed form to 7.5. Save the form. So we have to do this, but before doing these steps, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. So here we will click at the bottom in search bar. We have to search 5020. So this is search. Now we will click anywhere and here will the option of delete will come. So here we will select it and select delete record. So this record will be deleted. Next we have to W5034. We have to find this record. This record has been found now. It is saying from print dialog box. So here we will select. There is no print layout. So here we will go to file tab, print and print preview. This is print preview. It is saying set the width of the column to 7.5. So here we will click at page setup. Here is the column. So here we will change the width of the column to 7.5. Press OK. So this is done now. Next it is saying save the form. So here we will right click on it and click save. So this is done now. Next we will move to step number 4. In step number 4 it is saying use filter by form tool to create the form. So here first we will click here and we will click at the close print preview. Next it is saying use the filter by form tool to create a filter for the workshop form that displays the record with the workshop category of guide to finding a job or keeping a job. After verifying that 15 records match the filter criteria, toggle the filter off to display all 24 records. So here we have to select filter by form. So for this we will move to home tab and sort and filter advanced. Here we will select filter by form and what it is saying, it is saying workshop category. Here we will just paste that, guide to finding a job. So here we will just select toggle filter. As you can see there are 15 records displayed as it is said in instruction. So here we will just toggle it off, so all 24 records will be displayed. Next it is saying save and close the form. So here we will click save and then we will just close this form. So we have completed 4 steps for you. Next we will move to step number 5. But before starting step number 5, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. It is saying use the form visitor to create a form for based on room tables. Add the following records to the form: rental fees, capacity, equipment, podium and internet. Apply a columnar layout and name the form room form. So here we will create, here we will select form visitor, add the following records. Here we will select rooms table, and what we have to add, we have to add rental fee, capacity, equipment, podium and next internet. Apply the columnar layout. So here we will click next. This is columnar layout, and next we have to name it as room form. So here rooms form, it should be room form. Next we will click finish. So this will be done now. So I have completed step number 5 for you. Next we will move to step number 6. But before starting step number 6, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I will solve out this complete course for you at a reasonable price. Next it is saying, with the room form displayed in layout view, apply stack layout to all the controls. Apply integral theme to this form only. Select the title, room form, change the font 24, apply bold and font color to dark tail, text to darker 50%. Save the form. So here first of all it should be in form view, and then next we have to, so it should be in layout view, and we have to select all these control. These all controls are selected. Next we will go to arrange, and here we will apply stack layout. Stack layout has been applied. Next it is saying apply integral theme to this object. For here we will go to form design, and here we will select integral theme, and we will right click on it and select apply to this object only. So this is done now. Next it is saying select the title. So this is the title. We have to change its font size to 24. So here in the format we will change its font size to 24, bold it, and its font should be dark tail text to darker 50%. Dark tail to darker 50%. So this is done now. I have completed 6 steps for you. If you want me to solve this rest of assignment for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I will solve out this complete assignment for you. Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.